headed straight for land, sir.
Douse the royals at top!
Captain overboard!
Ahoy, Captain. Find what you need.
My needs and wants are oceans apart, mate. But I did fashion myself a new holster. All I need now is a pistol to lie in it.
Yeah. Taken from the holds, just as you said.
Little more than a blowpipe. But it'll do. So, are we rested? Or should we idle a while longer?
Best way anchor. I think the crew is itching to reach civilization.
You'll find no civilization in Nassau. But it's a fine place to be merry all the same. Get the mainsails into the wind!
Clue up! Clue up! Pull them in!
Fire!
She's weak, is right there, Captain. Give the orders, sir. Last man clears the bill.
Fire! Enemy making for us, sir! Schooner by the rigging! There ain't chance to
Damn! Got the angle wrong.
Come! Are you mad, Captain?
Fire! Big!
She runs, Captain!
Loose mainsail!
10 shot to prevent
Ready
her
to
escape.
fire, sir! Next big clout, we're for the deep, Captain. We're
Fire!
When do you? Where am I to go?
Go on, Captain Queernabs. Tell me I'm under arrest. Tell me!
Them your breads.
Fly away, boyo! Back to your master!
Aye. We was privateers together before the wars ended. I'll see you ashore.
Has he gone bad?
Return, or fame be garnished of fitter stock.
on the king's highway. I'll
By God, you're a sight for salty eyes. Come you in and have a drink.
Morning, all.
I can wait. Who's this?
Adewale, the Jackdaw's quartermaster.
Jackdaw. You named your brig after a poxy bird.
Ade, these lads are the better part of our growing confederacy here. Ed Thatch, Ben Hornigold, James Kidd.
You let him carry a pistol, do you?
Peace, Ben. Ade saved my life. And now we're looking to find a crew to fill out the rest of my ship.
Well, there's scores of capable men about. But use caution. The shipload of the King's sailors showed up before night back, causing trouble and knocking about like they own the place.
Right. I'll see who I can muster.